Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add filter in Confluence table. First, go ahead and log into your Confluence account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, select the space that contains your table. Here you will see the content of that pages, so just go ahead and select the one that contains your table. After that, on the upper ribbon, beside the table layout, you will see a filter option. So just go ahead and click on that. Now a right panel will appear. Here you will be able to create a filter. Just go ahead and click on this Add Filter button. And now, select the field that you want to add a filter in. Then, just select the filter that best fits your needs. After that, just go and click on the Create button. Now, on the bottom, click on the Save Changes to apply the changes. And there you have it. You now have a filter for that table. You can go ahead and add another one if you'd like to. And that's just basically it. That's how you add filter in Confluence table. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.